Welcome to Freedom Review. Here I rank the top 5 products you can trust. Struggling with inconsistent rice that turns out mushy or undercooked, forcing you to babysit the stove and ruining meal timing? It gets frustrating when busy schedules clash with unpredictable cooking results, leading to wasted ingredients and disappointing dinners night after night. This often happens because basic pots lack smart technology to adjust for different grains and conditions automatically. The solution lies in advanced rice cookers with reliable timers that handle everything from prep to serving hands-free. So we tested and ranked the best rice cookers with timers to help you choose the right one. Starting at number 5, we have the CUCKOO Micom rice cooker, a great option for small families or busy professionals who want Korean-inspired precision without complexity. These make a solid first impression with their compact yet sturdy design, featuring a sleek exterior and intuitive digital controls that feel user-friendly right away. The core benefit directly tackles the pain of unreliable meal timing and uneven results. With its fuzzy logic technology and preset delay timer, it ensures perfectly cooked rice ready exactly when you need it, eliminating the guesswork and stress of traditional methods that often lead to overcooked or cold meals. Performance and functionality shine through its multiple menu options like white rice, brown rice, GABA, porridge, and multi-cook, with the processor adjusting time and temperature automatically for consistent fluffy textures across grain types. The keep warm function maintains ideal serving temperature for hours without drying out the rice. Compared to the more health-focused GreenLife higher up, the CUCKOO differentiates with broader multigrain versatility and proven Korean engineering for reliable results, though it may not emphasize ceramic toxin-free coatings as strongly. This positions it as a versatile entry point rather than ultra-specialized. Our mini verdict is that the CUCKOO Micom rice cooker suits smaller households or first-time users seeking dependable timer functionality, multiple modes, and easy Korean-style rice perfection for everyday meals without overwhelming features. Moving up to number 4, the GreenLife digital rice cooker stands out as an excellent choice for health-conscious individuals or small households prioritizing safe, non-toxic materials. It delivers a positive first impression through its vibrant, compact design and ceramic non-stick pot that feels premium and eco-friendly from the start. This is where its toxin-free construction really eases the worry of chemicals leaching into food during repeated heating cycles. The PFAS-free ceramic coating and fuzzy logic ensure safe, consistent cooking, while the delay timer lets you plan meals without constant monitoring, solving the hassle of unhealthy or timed cooking frustrations. In performance, one-touch presets for white rice, brown rice, quinoa, and oats deliver reliable results with automatic adjustments for optimal texture. The LED display and customizable timing provide clear feedback, making it straightforward even for beginners. When stacked against the CUCKOO below it, GreenLife pulls ahead in health-focused materials and simplicity for grains beyond rice, but offers fewer specialized modes overall. This key difference makes it shine for wellness-oriented users rather than multi-dish versatility. The verdict here points to the GreenLife digital rice cooker for eco-aware singles or couples who value safe ceramic tech, timer convenience, and straightforward operation in a space-saving package. Starting at number 3, the TOSHIBA OriginTaste rice cooker excels for busy families seeking Japanese heritage technology and broad meal versatility. Unboxing reveals a robust, thoughtfully designed unit with a thick inner pot and clear LCD that inspires confidence for daily family cooking. The standout core benefit addresses uneven cooking and scheduling chaos with 3D heating and a 24-hour delay timer, producing uniformly fluffy rice and other dishes that retain flavor and texture, freeing up your time from stove watching. Additional highlights include the durable 3.1 mm thick PFAS-free ceramic pot for even heat retention, removable steam vent for easy cleaning, and accessories like spatula and ladle. The design balances capacity for 6 people with a footprint that fits modern kitchens. Differentiating from the GreenLife, TOSHIBA offers more advanced heating uniformity and Japanese-inspired presets for authentic results across diverse dishes, though it may require slightly more counter space. This makes it a step up in versatility for family use. Our verdict recommends the TOSHIBA OriginTaste for families wanting reliable timers, multifunctionality, and heritage quality that elevates everyday meals beyond basic rice. Climbing to number 2, the AROMA Digital Rice Cooker is a top performer for versatile home cooks or small families needing a true multi-cooker with steaming capabilities. It impresses immediately with its stainless accents, digital panel, and compact yet capable build that feels like a kitchen workhorse. Here the core strength tackles one-pot meal limitations and timing issues through sensor logic technology and a 15-hour delay timer, allowing simultaneous rice and vegetable steaming or slow-cooked dishes ready on your schedule without multiple appliances. This differentiation favors practical, all-in-one convenience. The mini verdict positions the AROMA Digital Rice Cooker as ideal for busy multitaskers who appreciate timer flexibility, steaming versatility, and reliable performance for a wide range of meals at an accessible price. And claiming the top spot, at number 1, the COMFEE Japanese Rice Cooker delivers outstanding value for larger families or those wanting extensive presets with smart Japanese-style technology. First impressions highlight its generous capacity, modern LCD interface, and solid construction built for frequent use. Its primary advantage conquers batch cooking inconsistencies and rigid schedules via fuzzy logic with an intelligent 6-step process, 24-hour delay timer, and 11 presets that produce perfectly simmered rice and dishes every time, minimizing waste and effort. Standing out from the AROMA, COMFEE provides larger capacity and more Japanese-focused presets for authentic results in bigger batches, with minor trade-offs in specialized slow-cook depth. This crowns it for high-volume, timer-driven convenience. Our final verdict crowns the COMFEE Japanese Rice Cooker as the best overall for families or entertainers needing robust timer functionality, versatile Japanese-inspired cooking, and capacity that scales with real-life demands. Different users need different options depending on household size, health priorities, or cooking style. Check the links in the description for current details and pricing to find your ideal match. We hope this guide simplifies your decision and brings more effortless, delicious meals to your table.